Thinking about starting a home daycare? In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know before you begin step by step. Most home daycares require a license or registration. This usually includes background checks, inspections, and limits on how many children you can care for. Requirements varies by state and country, so I would advise you to always check your local regulations. You don't need a huge house, but you do need a safe and organized space. Most home daycares need a play area, a nap area, bathroom access, baby gates, outlet covers, storage bins. So I would advise you to always go heavy on the childproofing. You also need some basic supplies like age-appropriate toys, books. You'll need some mats where the children could nap, or a crib, high chair, and also some art materials. Must-have daycare supplies are general checklists. Safety and hygiene. These keep kids safe and healthy, so you must have a first aid kit, smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, fire extinguisher, childproof locks, safety gates, hand sanitizers, wipes, tissues, diapers, and wipes for younger kids. These are essential for daily care. Safety items are extremely important, and again, it includes all the items we just discussed. Many areas require CPR and first aid training. Even when it's not required, training in child development helps you stand out and build trust with parents. Budget checklist. This is our general checklist now for our budget. What you want to also include in your budget: toys, it could be used or donated, safety supplies, storage bins, cleaning basics, license fees, snacks and paper goods, second-hand furniture if you can't afford to buy brand new ones. There are places that have really great second-hand furniture that you can also start with. So again, start small. Startup costs is important to consider when opening your own daycare. Successful home daycares have clear routines, contracts, and communication. Parents aren't just choosing childcare, they're actually choosing you. There are some common mistakes, including not reading regulations carefully, over-enrolling, undercharging, and skipping on paperwork. So these are some common mistakes to avoid. Starting a home daycare is a big step, but with the right preparation, it's possible. So guys, comment daycare if you want a part 2 on licensing or costs. If this is helpful so far, consider subscribing for more daycare tips from Read, Make, Learn with Miss Stephanie. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.